Even if you're selling long life and prosperity, a lot of people will still not buy from you, especially family, friends, and some neighbors. Hi, my name is Uko Okwan. I am the rich son of a classroom teacher, and on this channel, I talk to you about things that can make you improve your life daily and things that can make you become a better version of you. So lately, it came to my mind. I was just thinking of the early days when I started business and the early days of doing business as just a budding entrepreneur. And I remember that most of those days had people who patronized me, and they were not family, they were not friends, and they were not neighbors. Hi, this is the truth. Whenever you're starting out with something, do not expect that family, friends, and some neighbors will patronize you. And do not also expect that do not also expect that everybody is going to patronize you. Most of the people that will patronize you are simply people you don't have anything to do with. They're simply people who don't know you from Adam. They're simply people who don't know you from anywhere. I mean, even Jesus Christ was not respected by his own family members. A prophet does not have honor and respect in his community. So if you're that prophet, or if you're that business person that is expecting that, oh, everybody around me is going to patronize me, they are suddenly going to start coming to my business premises to buy or to sell or whatever, it is not actually true. Lower your expectations so that you won't be frustrated in life. Lower your expectations, especially when it comes to family. Okay, especially when it comes to family, friends, and neighbors. These three group of people, they can frustrate you. If you so believe that these three group of people are going to be the first set of customers you are going to have, I'm sorry, you may be maybe sowing your seed in the wind, and maybe, I don't know, is it sowing your seed in the wind or whatever? You may be building castles in the air because it may never happen. Some family, friends, and neighbors may never patronize you throughout your early stage in business. They are going to come later, maybe when they see the progress, when they see the things you're doing that is starting to generate traffic, or is starting to make waves, is starting to become significant. They will come to patronize you. It's not personal, trust me, it is not personal. Have you ever wondered why, if you are maybe a junior brother to someone, in your elder sister or elder brother's eye, you are still that small boy, no matter the achievement you've made in life? In your mom's eye, you are still that little baby, no matter the achievements. However, that can change if all of a sudden they start to see things happening differently and things happening significantly around you. They will only adjust to later accept you in the new version of you. Now, whenever you're starting a business, whenever you're starting something new, maybe you just started a content creation channel, maybe you just started a YouTube channel, you just started Facebook, you just started TikTok, your family members and your neighbors, they know you already, so they are never going to take you seriously. You just started a new business, and you expect that your family members, they will not come to you at the initial stage. They may not. Some may, some might not. Some they might not. I'm not a native speaker. I absolutely do not know what to say there. But some may patronize you, some may not. They might and they might not. So whatever you get, do not be discouraged. These people do not hate you. It's just that, think about yourself and your friends. You never truly take your friends serious, do you? So don't expect your family members and your friends and maybe your neighbors to take you seriously when you say, hey, I just started a business, and they'll be like, we're rushing to patronize you. Even when you become a doctor as a brother to someone, your brother will be a little bit skeptical to come take treatments from you. I mean, I come from a family where I have medical personnel in my family. Sometimes I'm a little bit skeptical about them, but trust me, I trust my mom so well that even when some doctors make prescriptions, I still have to fall back to my mama to confirm if I can actually go ahead with the prescriptions. And she's a medical personnel, and my siblings too are mostly in the medical line. So what I'm saying is this: lower your expectations when it comes to family, when it comes to friends, and when it comes to neighbors. friends. You see, friends, they'll frustrate you. Honestly, friends will frustrate you, not intentionally, but because you guys are used to it. You guys are used to just being crazy around each other. So don't take it personal. When family, friends, and others do not patronize you at the start, don't take it personal. Just know that it is very natural that this won't come easy. They are still seeing you with the same unserious boy that you used to be or the unserious girl that you used to be. So give them some time and they'll get used to it. And trust me, when they get used to it, you're going to like the new version of them. Until I come your way next time, my name is Uko Wakman. I love to call myself the rich son of a classroom teacher because I am the rich son of a classroom teacher. And if you're new in this channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on the notification so that next time when I post a video, you'll be the first person to see. And I promise you, I'll bring videos like this your way. The good thing is, if you're subscribing now, if you're joining this channel now, you'll see me in my growth phase where I am still just growing step by step. You'll see me in the process where I am leading you through the journey, where I am telling you, hey, this is me, this is where I placed my feet and it didn't work, this is where I am placing it now and it's working. So we can grow in the process. I'm your brother in the struggle, and please don't forget to share this. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you know my physical shop, I do photography, I do videography, and I also have farms. So tell a friend to tell a friend to patronize me, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.